Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special product that I'm going to review. So this is called EV Hover, and basically what it is, it's going to help me with kind of solving my whole charging dilemma that I have over here right now, especially after getting the second over here. Currently my setup is I've got two cars, so one's over here and one's over there. I currently have this on a pulley that kind of like brings it up so that I can just go around it and go if I need to access to this direction over here. And yeah, so basically if I need to charge the other car, I just unplug this one. There we go. And then go out to the other car and then plug it in over here. So this works okay, but it's still not very professional, and it kind of stops your access from here, like coming in from the middle between the two cars. And the cable kind of like, comes over here and like hits this car. So this is how it looks like when I'm charging the second car. But yeah, we're going to solve that. So EV Hover, basically what they do is a product that is a mechanical arm that attaches to the wall, and then you can route all your cable through it, and you can extend it over all the way up here, and then can go down from here. So you can still get access to come in between the two cars. But yeah, it'll look way more professional and a little bit more more tidy, let's say. Well, let's do the unboxing, and we'll do the install, and I'll show you most of that stuff, and then we'll do a quick review and see how the end product looks like. So hope you guys like this video. Hit like and subscribe to my channel if you like this review. So let's start with the unboxing. So it does say over here, so this is how the box came. It just says with extender and white, and open this end. So it does show what's the configuration you got. Now you can get this without the extender, which is, I think it's around 6 feet long, or with an extender it's like 9 feet long. So I got the 9 feet long just because I have a little bit of an indent into the garage. Yeah, let's open this up very quick. A lot of extra padding. Here we go. It says do not cut cable tie until after install. Very good packaging so far. Before you start to install, locate a stud or other suitable support in the wall. This is the hook. These are the 4 Velcro straps and the screws. So basically this piece gets drilled into the wall. So you've got 3 bolts here. So what we'll do is first, what I'll do is probably put it up on the wall, and then get the 3 pilots that I know where these holes are gonna go on the wall, and then start do a pilot hole, and then drill this into the wall. So yeah, let's get started. So just before starting to drill, I'm just gonna see how it's gonna look like. So yeah, probably gonna hang it right over here, and then it should be clear from all the any obstruction basically. It'll be really helpful if you have one of these. You can just put it into your drill, and then you can drill into it. There you go. Now you can hang it off from here, and then we'll need to do another hole right over here, and that'll be it. It comes with this little bit of a small level, so you can use that. I could have went a little bit higher. I just don't want the garage door to be too close to the garage door. So there we go. That's the hardest part of the install. So now all we need to do is just unhook this, extend it over, and get everything routed. So yeah, and I'll show you how that goes. Oh, here we go. That's it, fully extended. Look at that, it goes so far. So yeah, technically, here, let me get the camera in a better angle. So this is how extended it goes. It's really goes so far. So this is with the extension. So technically, this is my car over here. It's still kind of gonna come at an angle. Yeah, it's got a little bit of a bounce, but it's rigid. You can really see it's very rigid, so good. Now it does say for this step to do it right before installing the arm on the wall, but I don't really think that's a good idea because it does also say not to not to remove the zip ties so that it's easier to install. So that's very tight. And then you kind of work your way back. So overall, a very easy install. I actually enjoyed doing this install, unlike some other things, uh, accessories wise, where it's not really well thought of. So kudos to EV Hover for designing a really good product and not skipping out on the on the install part, where lots of products do. Pretty neat, to be honest. And then yeah, you can get this. Go down, and then whoop. There we go. You can pretty much do that. So the only thing, I guess, and this is also the garage height that I have here. So I do already have a restriction. The only thing is that if you have like a travel box, like the cargo box over there, you got to be careful not to come into the garage with this extended. Otherwise, I think I can even drive in the car over here while this is connected. So that's pretty cool. That unlocked another scenario where I always have to disconnect this so that I can do that. In fact, let's do it right now. We'll prop up the camera and then you guys can witness that. So there we go. You can see the car went into the garage without any issues. This is me underneath the cable, so I just have to move it just a bit, and then I've got access to my garage over here if I need to go to my bike. So yeah, awesome product. Very happy with it. It's very good quality. Yeah, no complaints really so far, but if anything comes up, I'll probably make an updated video about it. I'll put a link to the product in my description, along with a code as well. So if you want to buy it, use my code as well, and I'll put it down in the description here and in the video so that you guys are aware about it. I'm gonna retract this and see how that works. So basically what you have to do is you have to retract this side. Don't forget to holster this. That could cause some damage to the body of your car. Whoop, it's getting in the way of the camera. So here we go. Here we go. There we go. And then you can basically plug in over here like that. And then you can probably just extend it this way, and then you've got access to go around the car as well. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Really love this product. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit like and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.